kidding.
How are you?
You're coming in a year after the fact and asking for time to
I
pay.
just got the notice on the 25th of March. I said the same thing. I said, where is this coming from?
You didn't pay your fines.
I wasn't even aware.
Ma'am.
I am on it now. I apologize.
What do you think I'm thinking?
I thought the same thing.
What do you mean you thought the same thing?
Well, when I finally got a notice a year and a half later.
Ms. May Rand.
Yes, sir.
I want to give you a little analysis here, okay?
Okay.
On February 1 of 24, after you were found guilty at a bench trial, I sentenced you. I ordered you to pay $765, 4 days court work program, gave you credit for one. Your payments were to be paid at the rate of $25 a week beginning February 29 of 2024. This is April of 25. Last I looked at a calendar. That means you haven't done anything in over 13 months. Today you came in with $50.
Yes. And I have more. Yes.
And now you want to act like this is some surprise out of the sky that you didn't know you owed the court money. You didn't know anything.
Yes, I didn't know.
You did know or did not know?
I mean, I know how the court works.
I didn't ask you that. You made it sound like you didn't think you owed and you thought you were done. If I'm listen, don't interrupt me. If I'm misinterpreting what you said, please, when I'm done talking here, Judge, you misunderstood me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough?
Yes.
Now you're going to listen. You come in here and you act like you thought all this was behind you. I don't know what's going on with you, but this was as predictable as the fact that it's going to be less than 138 degrees out today. This was so predictable. I mean, I'd have bet my house against this coffee mug that you were going to do this. I don't know why, but I don't like hearing these things. But I issued a warrant for her arrest on April 25 of 24 for failure to appear for a show cause that alleged that she didn't appear for her court work program days on March the 23rd and April the 13th of 24. You then came back in front of me on April 30, pled guilty. I said, pay additional costs of $75, 2 additional days court work and pay $35 in court work program fees. 1 day court work because I gave you credit for one served.
The 30th of April, I was in custody until September.
Of 24?
Yes.
She had pending felony charges, Your Honor, at that point.
Shocking. I'm so shocked. I'm just a little agitated that here she comes in a year later and now she wants time to pay. It'd be like me blowing off my mortgage company for a year and then going in and saying, you know what, give me an extension. I'll pay you. Ms. Mayran?
Yes, sir.
I don't know about you. I mean, you're hell-bent on destroying your life. I can tell you that. I felt like that before. And I know I would have told you if you didn't have the money to come and talk to me. And if you want to dispute that, I will go ahead and go back and I'll instruct her to go listen to the recording right now. I know I would have told you because I tell everybody. You never asked me for extensions. Now you come in after we're almost done with probation. There was no probation. Are you off the drugs?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
So if I sent you for a drug test right now, you'd be negative.
Absolutely.
I can't believe you didn't come and talk to me. You're going to set up a payment plan now and you're going to, but I don't want to hear any more about you thought this all went away. How much can you pay weekly?
50, 25, 50 weekly.
If you don't have the money and you pull this nonsense again, I'm going to lock you up.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have the money and you need more time, you can extend a courtesy to me. Like I'm just bending over backwards for you right now. Every Monday, starting April 21, you come in here with $50. You don't have the money, you got to come talk to me. You don't do either one of those. I'm glad you're clean if you're clean. I really am. You got to stay away from that. What was it again, meth?
Yeah, it was all a bunch of...
Yeah, I mean, you can't do that. That's bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad news bears. Take care, Ms. Mayran. Don't miss again. And don't be throwing my name out there. You said you know me. Some police officer told me you said, I know Judge McNally. Judge McNally likes me. You did say that to somebody.
If I did, it was the drugs. I apologize.
I don't like people throwing my name out there. Good luck.
Again.